I think it's time for another reference to Greek mythology. And it's what I do, okay? Deal with it. This time I want to talk about Cassandra, the Trojan oracle. No, I don't mean she was a spokesperson. Don't go there. Are you internal IT and want to keep your job safe from MSPs like me? Then listen up. So here's the thing about Cassandra. So she was from Troy. She was apparently very attractive. And Apollo, the god from the original Star Trek series, tried to win her over by giving her the gift of prophecy. She liked the gift, but not so much Apollo. Well, apparently there was no return policy for Apollo, so he couldn't return the gift. So he cursed her. He made it so that she would continue to accurately prophesize, but nobody would believe her. And apparently that curse also hit a lot of you people in internal IT. You know the game. You've been telling management for years about the need to replace hardware or update software or any kind of strategy. All to deaf ears. So in strides a consultant, and in one brief presentation or meeting or whatever, they say the exact same thing you've been saying all along. Not only does the CEO eat it up, thinks it's the greatest thing they've ever heard of, checkbook in hand, they also look at you with that, why didn't you think of that look? I've been in both seats. I've been the consultant, and I certainly have been Cassandra. Here's the problem. The consultant knows that they have to sell. They have to deliver a message that has meaning and that the CEO understands. It's well crafted, it's to the point. The internal IT, often we think that, an email, a comment while passing by in the hallway, that'll do. You're every bit as much a consultant for your organization as that consultant is. Start acting like one. Not all MSPs want your job. Simplex IT has CoMITs, or co-managed IT services, which creates a partnership between you and us to provide the best IT possible to your organization. Want to know more? DM me or email me at bob@simplex-it.com. Tell me your address. I'll send you a copy of my book, I Don't Want Your Job as Co-Managed IT Services, the right fit for you. I prophesize. You're going to comment about this below. You don't believe me, do you?